Hey guys, it's Roman at CarTips, and in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how you can make money on vehicles. So first things first, I recommend looking for damaged vehicles. I myself am not a mechanic, but I am a body man. I can paint and I can do body work. If you guys want to learn how to do body work or paint, I have videos on my channel that you guys can watch to learn how to do that. Anyways, for this video, I repaired this Civic and made it look as good as new. Pretty much the reason why I chose this vehicle is A, it wasn't much damage. It was really easy to repair. You don't need to find a framer. You don't need framework on it. And B, parts are in it are really cheap and very readily available, which means any wrecking yard in your city, wherever you live, will definitely have parts for a 2005 Honda Civic. I went ahead and I picked up this car for $2,400. I bought it as is, that's how it is, $2,400. It was a perfectly drivable vehicle. So I went ahead, bought it, and drove it home, as is. The most obvious damage is here on the left side. And the two doors and the quarter panel need bodywork and paint. So the next thing I did is I went ahead and I found my local wrecking yard, here where I live, and I went and found two doors. I made sure that these two doors would match the same color that I have on my vehicle. It was this dark blue metallic color. I believe it is a B29P color code. So I made sure that they're the same color and I bought them. $150 a piece. Then I went and bought a $50 side mirror for the driver's door because it was completely torn off. That's another $50 for the side mirror. And I paid about $250 in paint materials. So that includes Bondo, sandpaper, masking paper, paint, clear, reducers, all that stuff, all painting materials and bodywork materials cost me $250. I didn't want to repair the fuel door, so I went ahead and I picked up a fuel tank door for 50 bucks. If you know how to do a little bit of bodywork and paint, you can definitely make money on cars like this. This vehicle is a 2005 and it has 108,000 miles on it. So this car in today's market is worth around $4,500. And I ended up paying just under $3,500 for it. Now assuming I did all the work, of course, with all the paperwork, all the materials and parts you gotta buy, and invest some labor hours into that, but it's definitely worth it. You're still coming out $1,000 on top. That's definitely a good profit margin for a little car like this. Once again, if you want to know how to do body work or paint, I have some tutorial videos on my channel that you can check out. Link will be in the description. If you guys liked the video, please hit the subscribe button for me. It'd really help me out. And yeah, until next time, peace guys.